Example 7, the graph shows the cost of publishing a school yearbook. So if you take a look at the title, it says that we've got cost here on the dependent and on the independent for the number of yearbooks. The budget for publishing costs is $4,200. What is the maximum number of books that can be printed? So I'm going to see if I can find that answer on the graph. You can see the solution worked out here just to save some time on writing this out. So we're going to talk through this. So I'm going to go to 4,200 on the graph, which is, if you take a look here, we're counting by 500. So between the 4,000 and the 4,500. So I'm going to estimate about here. I'm going to go down here. And again, these are counting by now between 175, 200. So I'm kind of estimating around 180 to 190. So I have to do an estimation because these numbers just, I can't quite see for sure where this is. I can still see this is a linear graph. So my estimation based on the graph is 180 to 190 books. If I want to know the exact number, so to determine the exact number, we must find this algebraically. So to do this, I want to come up with an equation. So we're going to go back and review our rate of change. Our rate of change is the change in the y, so delta y over delta x. So I took these 2 points here, I drew a slope triangle. This was a distance of 1,000 from 1,500 to 500 was 1,000. And then this is a number of yearbooks was 50. So 1,000 divided by 50, my rate of change was $20 per yearbook, which is really telling me the cost of one yearbook. So remember this little formula we came up with. Dependent variable is equal to the rate of change times the independent variable plus the fixed amount. The fixed amount, now that we know what y-intercept means, is always going to be that vertical or y-intercept. So I choose variable. C is the cost, N is the independent variable. Rate of change is 20. So C is equal to 20 times N plus the fixed amount. 500 is my y-intercept. Now that I have an equation, I can plug 4,200 in for the cost and isolate N. So to do that, I move my 500 over to get 3,700, divide off the 20, and I get exactly 185 yearbooks. So I was correct in my estimation, but this will give me the exact number.